The first process in terms of project scope management, please understand that all the knowledge areas except the integration management and the stakeholder, every knowledge area starts with the planning. What is the planning? Planning is to how you are going to go about all the processes in terms of what is going to happen, how you will be let's talk about the scope management. So you will be talking about how you will be gathering the requirements, what templates will be used, what processes will be used, what tools and techniques will be used, who will be doing it, what will be an approval cycle, how you are going to prioritize it. Everything you have to agree in the beginning at the forefront, so that you don't mix it up, so you don't have multiple approval hierarchies, you don't have multiple success criteria. So it will help you making the process in place, rather than that somebody is doing it and somebody is not doing it. So planning is a very important document, and obviously it will take the guidance from the organization process assets, how the scope is going to be done, what templates you are going to use, who has the final authority in terms of scope plan scope management. I mean, in terms of scoping, in terms of approving, in terms of making sure that yes, this is what is required. What is the governance structure? All this is part of this. So it provides guidance and direction how to scope will be managed throughout the project. So you need to collect, you need to listen the scope, collect, elicit the scope, then you have to manage the scope, then you have to get an approval, and prioritize the scope, then maintain, then the change will happen. So it is about on how the scope will be managed throughout the project. It can be done once, or it is going to happen a lot many times, because you may have changes will happen. And obviously creating a scope management that documents how the product and project scope. So yes, product and project scope both are your responsibilities. The project scope is project management plan, and the product scope is the scope that we are actually looking in. We are talking about the defined scope. That what is that we are actually looking at. So this is the introduction for the plan scope management. Next is the inputs and outputs, and then some other tools and techniques that we would be looking at. So let's see what do we have.